Hello people and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. And today I'm going to talk about the fact that there is nothing wrong in wanting to be a happier person, but you shouldn't be depressed or you shouldn't be stressed out by the fact that there might be certain unfavorable circumstances in your life, because you are not alone in the problems that you have in your life. There are many people out there who have way worse problems out there in their lives, and you just don't know about them. You think that you think you have it tough with your set of problems. Think of a kid in Syria who is basically whose family, whose family may be alive, but they have lost everything because of the Syrian civil war, and they have literally become refugees. Think of that refugee children, all those children that have become refugees, all those people that have become refugees with their families, with their children, with their loved ones, and they are now living in refugee camps. Think of all the homeless people who are living such tough lives right now. You might be sitting in the comfort of your home. You might be watching this video from the comfort of your own home, but there are people out there who are working so hard just to make ends meet. Trust me, they are working so hard just for the sake of making ends meet, just for the sake of a few dollars, just for the sake of a for the sake of satisfying the basic requirements of food, health, and food, clothing, and shelter. They are working day and night. They are working like crazy just for the sake of giving their family the basic amenities that are necessary for living, for actually living, just breathing. They are not even able to afford any kind of luxury in their lives. They are so poor. There are people out there. You will find them. Trust me. You just have to observe what is happening around you, and you will realize that there are people who are way unluckier than you, who are who have way tougher lives than you have. Trust me. After a little bit of objective observation, after a little bit of introspection, you will realize that maybe whatever you have, it's actually pretty good. You should be grateful to God for whatever little God has given you. To value those precious moments of happiness, value those precious things that you have in your life, family, a certain financial, if you have a good financial position, then value that as well. Value money, value so many people are homeless. The fact that you have a home is also a huge plus. It's actually a huge thing, because so many people around the world are homeless. So many people cannot afford a home. So many people have, or they might have a home, but they are living in crime-ridden areas. They might have a home, but they all kinds of criminals might be roaming their streets. So that's why their life is is like hell on earth. So you think that you have it easy, but you haven't. If you really do some observation around you, you will realize that there are many people out there who have way tougher lives than what you have. That's why don't try to have this objective of becoming happy all the time. Don't try to have this objective of becoming the happiest person all the time, because that is certainly not possible. Life is a mixed bag. There are going to be moments of happiness, moments of sadness, moments of frustration, anxiety, tension, boredom. All kinds of emotions are going to come in your life. All kinds of phases are going to come in your life. That doesn't mean that you should start complaining. Of course, if your life is really miserable, you have every reason to complain. But if you if you're one of those people who actually have a pretty good life, you have your own home, you live in a pretty safe area of the city, or area of a town where there isn't a lot of criminal activity, where you live in a place where you live in a place where you have access to sanitation facilities, you have access to clean water. These things that we take for granted every day are not available to a lot of people around the world. A lot of people. Just think about what their life is like for a moment, and then try to understand what so many, all the things that God has given you in your life. Sometimes you have to look at other people's circumstances for the sake of introspecting and realizing that God has given you actually many things in your life. You just didn't realize it until you saw people who are way unluckier than you, who are living way tougher lives than what you are living right now. That's why don't have this objective of trying to be happy all the time, because that certainly is not achievable. Value what little you have, because God, if you are one of those lucky people who have a pretty decent, average, comfortable life, you are very lucky, and you don't even know what all the amenities, all the advantages that you have in this life. Education, access to a smartphone, access to electricity, access to sanitation facilities, clean water, a permanent shelter. All these things that you take for granted are a huge blessing that you didn't even realize until now, I guess, if you are one of those people who is not even self-aware about your situation. More on this in the next video, I think, or maybe not. Until then, please consider liking this video, please consider sharing this video with your friends and acquaintances, and please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot. Until the next video, stay safe, goodbye, and God bless you.